Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC tokens from Bitrue to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will make it easy and stress-free. XDC, or XINFIN's native token, is gaining popularity, and knowing how to transfer it securely is essential for any investor. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need an active account on both Bitrue and Bitmart exchanges. Also, ensure you have some XDC tokens in your Bitrue wallet and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security. This isn't just about moving coins, it's about doing it safely to avoid any potential losses. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section and find your XDC balance. Next, look for the Withdraw option. It's usually right there under your asset details. Click on it to proceed. Step 2. Select XDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll then need to enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, exchanges often have minimum withdrawal limits, so double-check that. Now, the crucial part. Paste in your Bitmart deposit address. To get this, log into your Bitmart account, go to the deposit section for XDC, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip. Always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. It could mean losing your assets forever. Step 3. Review the withdrawal details, including any fees involved. Bitrue might charge a small network fee, so factor that into your amount. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After that, hop over to Bitmart and check your wallet to ensure the XDC has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and maybe contact support if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn XDC from Bitrue to Bitmart. This process keeps your crypto journey smooth and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.